Good morning and welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. Here's the latest seafood news for the week of August 5th, 2013. This is an alert. Buyers of chum salmon from Alaska may have noticed fewer offers of 2013 chum salmon coming through communication channels up to this point in the 2013 fishing season. Several processors in Alaska have reported very poor returns on chum salmon to date. There are concerns that a run of 4-year salmon did not return when expected, creating a shortfall of several million pounds. Another concerning report by Alaskan chum salmon processors is the shortage of higher grades of salmon. Silver bright, semi-bright, and dark good meat color fish are very short in supply. Again, with processors advising customers that the fish simply didn't show up, and once fishing was in full swing, the fish had already begun to pale. Processors targeted fresh sales for bright fish and managed to not freeze volumes of these grades. Buyers will see a shortage of brights for sure. European buyers, who normally are quiet this time of year, are aggressively sourcing chum salmon, indicating they have seen very few offers, and the offers they are receiving are much more expensive than they had hoped. Chum salmon are trading at levels 12 to 16% higher than 2012, with strong upward pressure on good meat color and bright fish. One European salmon importer indicated they may look to pink salmon supply for staking for their 2013 program. While on the topic of pink salmon, here are some newsworthy updates. The Russian pink salmon fishery that was expected to be very large has thus far fizzled out, being several thousand tons behind expectation. Buyers of Russian pink salmon had hoped to see abundant supply and lower prices, with Russia, Canada, and the USA anticipating large returns of pink salmon. Prices have remained strong as far fewer pink salmon than expected are being harvested. Canadian and USA pink salmon prices have remained strong as well, with strong demand in Asia and in North America. Canadian pink salmon are currently holding a market advantage as they are currently MSC certified, while only a small portion of Russian fish is certified and the entire Alaskan fishery is under management assessment by the Marine Stewardship Council. Pink salmon are trading at roughly the same levels as 2012. Southeast Alaska and Prince William Sound fisheries seem to be gaining in volume, which is something to keep an eye on, keeping in mind that the fish skin color will start to darken and meat color will begin to pale soon. In a financial notice, there are reports of a Qingdao processing company with ties to the USA companies is in the early stages of bankruptcy, with losses expected to be approximately $80 million US. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Ryerson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.